Your TV stand can do more than hold the remote. It can become a beautiful part of your Christmas decor. With a few creative touches, you can turn this everyday space into a festive focal point that glows with warmth and cheer. From garlands to candles, let's explore TV stand Christmas decor ideas that bring cozy holiday charm right to your living room. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best color palette for TV stand decor? Match your tree or living room palette, reds and greens for tradition, gold and cream for elegance, or silver and blue for a wintry look. Colors chosen, like this if your decor feels cohesive and bright. What about using Christmas figurines? Add small reindeer, snowmen, or nutcrackers beside the screen. Keep them symmetrical or grouped by height for a balanced, festive look. Figurines placed, like this if your setup feels lively and fun. What about candles and lanterns? Arrange flameless candles or small lanterns for cozy lighting. Their warm flicker adds comfort without glare on your TV screen. Candles placed, like this if your setup feels warm and inviting. How do I start decorating my TV stand for Christmas? Begin by clearing clutter and choosing a theme. Decide on classic, rustic, or modern styles so your setup feels clean, coordinated, and festive. Theme ready? Like this if your space feels ready to sparkle. How do I keep it functional and tidy? Hide cords and keep decor low profile near the screen. The goal is balance, beauty that doesn't distract from your cozy movie nights. Tidy achieved? Like this if your space feels clean and merry. How do I include ornaments on a TV stand? Fill bowls or trays with ornaments, pine cones, or beads. It's a simple way to bring sparkle and match your tree decor beautifully. Ornaments styled? Like this if your stand glitters with joy. How do I add the finishing touches? Top off with a festive sign or framed holiday quote. A simple accent ties everything together and adds that perfect final sparkle. Finishing done? Like this if your TV area feels Christmas ready. How can I use garlands around the TV? Drape greenery or eucalyptus along the edges of your stand. Add fairy lights, ribbons, or ornaments for texture and a soft holiday glow. Garland glowing? Like this if your stand shines with festive charm. How can I frame the TV itself? Surround it with garlands, fairy lights, or hanging stars. The frame effect turns your TV area into a cozy Christmas vignette. Frame perfect, like this if your screen feels like part of the magic. Can I decorate the shelves or cabinets below? Definitely. Fill shelves with wrapped boxes, candles, or greenery. Alternate textures for depth and keep color flow consistent with your theme. Shelves styled like this if your stand feels complete and festive. Can I add stockings or mini wreaths? Yes, hang mini stockings or wreaths from cabinet knobs. These tiny details bring playful character without overwhelming the design. Details added, like this if your space feels charming and personal. Can I add lights without overdoing it? Use battery-operated fairy lights or LED candles for subtle glow. Avoid harsh lights near the TV to keep the atmosphere calm and magical. Lighting balanced? Like this if your glow feels soft and soothing. Your TV stand can become a stunning part of your holiday story. With garlands, candles, and a few special touches, it transforms from simple storage to a cozy Christmas centerpiece. Decorate with love, light, and style, and make every movie night feel like magic. Feeling inspired? Like and check back for more creative Christmas decorating ideas.